So, yun nga ang agriculture, ang weights and measures, weights and measure is layunin nito ay siguraduhin na tama yung information ng isang product gaya ng timbang, presyo at yung mga expiry date. So next, product guarantee and warranty. Nag-click na siya. Okay. So legal compliances in store operations. So ito na yung number 6. So legal compliances in store operations sa next, Shops and Establishments Act. So Shops and Establishments Acts, the Shops and Establishment Act mandates registrations for shops and establishments. It emphasizes the employee welfare and operational regulations. So ang batas na ito is tungkol sa registration ng isang business, or ito yung ito yung tinatawag na business permit. So layunin nito na maprotektahan ang karapatan ng mga manggagawa at i-make sure na tama yung operation ng every establishments. So example nito is dapat may ang isang maliit na establishment, or let's say mga establishment is may tamang oras ng trabaho. So dito sa atin sa Pilipinas, I think it's 8 hours a day. Then yun, next is yung day off para sa mga empleyado. So kailangan natin ng day offs if mayroon tayong establishments. Kailangan magbigay rin tayo ng day off in order for our staff na makapagpahinga at makasama yung mga family nila. So this is the summary of main provisions under the Delhi Shops and Establishments Act. So based dito, di ko klaro. Check ko na lang. Okay, sabi dito sa summary of main provisions, sa provision close day, section rule is section 16, and the remarks is 1 day in a week. So kailangan sa isang establishments may mag-close din ng kahit one day lang sa isang linggo or 1 week. Then opening and closing hours sa section 15, no shop opening before 9 a.m. or closing after 7 o'clock p.m. Next is appointment letters, section 8. It defines working hours, 48 hours a week or 9 hours a day. 9 hours a day. Then next is working hours under section 10. Half an hour after 5 hours of work. So, working hours, half an hour after 5 hours of work. Compulsion rest, section 11, 12 hours in shops and 10.5 hours in establishments. Sa cleanliness, under section 25, the premises of every establishment shall be kept clean. So, kailangan malinis. Then employment of children 12 years and below, section 12. So no child shall work in any establishment. So hindi pa pwedeng magtrabaho or hindi ka pwedeng mag-hire ng below 12 years age. So that's all for today. I hope you learned something from my report. If you have a question, just comment below. Thank you.